So here's an example of our sense, think, act Arduino code. The first thing you always do is declare all your variables and constants. So here I've made a header file so that I don't clutter up the main code with this. And the first thing you're going to see here is the button pins on A0, the photoresistors on A1, the potentiometers on A2, sonar triggers on pin 12, sonar echoes on pin 13, blue LED is on pin 2, green LEDs on pin 3, red LEDs on pin 4, the buzzer pin is on pin 11. I also make an array of the LED pins because sometimes I want to use a for loop to turn them on or off or declare them as outputs. Next, you're going to see a long list of notes and pitches, and all this does is it makes all the notes that the buzzer is going to need to play music. And so here I have a melody for my first song and the durations for that first song for each note, and then the length of the song, which is actually only 18 notes, but I have all of them in here, as well as the tempo I've declared, etc. After that, I declare all of my motor movements. Remember, the motor TB6612 motor driver, AIN1 was on pin 8, AIN2 was on pin 9, PWMA was on pin 10. Then the right motor, PWMB is on pin 5, bin 2 is on pin 6, and bin 1 is on pin 7. After that, I create all of my robot behaviors, including right motor stop, left motor stop, right motor forward, left motor forward. And you can make all of these motions just by doing high and low to these pins. And recall that we had in a previous lecture in week 9 and 10 for a differential drive robot, how you get each one of them to move in order to make forward, as shown here, reverse, pivot left and pivot right, turn left and turn right, spin left and spin right, and stop. And then here we have all of our LED functions, including turning them each on one at a time, green, red, and blue. And our buzzer functions, which are how we play our music. So first we declare all the frequencies, and then we have a function for play song 1, a function for play song 2, a function for play song 3, and a function for play song 4. So now if I come over here, this is the main code. So now that I have all of the helper functions in that other file, it's a lot easier to read what's going on. The first thing that happens is we include the header file here. We set up the serial communication so that I can read my sensors. We configure all the pins as either inputs or outputs. We turn the LEDs on and play the buzzer, move the robot forward, stop and turn it off so I can make sure that the motors are working. And now in the main loop, we turn on and read the light, the button, the distance, and the potentiometer. I print them. You can see that happening down here at the bottom. And then based upon their values, it either plays song 1, 2, 3, or 4. And inside those songs, it makes the robot move. And then finally down here, as I said, we declare all our variables to either be inputs or outputs. This is also code for reading the distance sensor. This could also be moved to pitches in order to clean up your code. Please pause and take a look. I hope this helps. We will do more Sense, Think, Act throughout week 11, and stay tuned.